This is Ayo with his plants.
Ah.
Yes. Ayo is planting the plant in a pot. Very nice, Ayo. Ayo is a plant boy. Ayo jangan suka panas-panasan, main di luar terus sekarang, nanti item kayak temennya. Namanya Atem.
Daddy.
Yes. What did you say?
Atem is not good.
Atem is not good. Why is not good?
It's not fine. He's hitting me.
Oh, he's hitting you.
Yes.
Why he's hitting you?
Yeah, because it's for hit you.
Yes, what?
Slow down.
Okay, you have to tell Mr. Shadrach if Atem is hitting you again. Okay? Ayo, who is your friend at school?
Atem.
But Atem is hitting you, so he's not your friend. Who else then? Who's your favorite teacher at school?
Mrs. Shadrach.
Mr. and Mrs. Shadrach.
Miss you.
Hey, Ayo, do you like Jamal?
No.
No. How about Mr. Matthews? How
I like Mrs. Shadrach.
you only like Mr. Shadrach? How about Misu?
No.
How about Papa?
No.
How about Mama? Yo, what are you watching? Ayo, what are you watching, Ayo? Oh, Baby Jake. Do you like Baby Jake? Adek, can you sing Baby Jake song? Yo. Ayo, can you sing Baby Jake?
Magic baby.